no decoration. This is the fall and this is a drudge nation. Your decadent sins will reap discipline. You puritan, you shook me. I wash every day, but still it's unclean! Unclean! Thousand souls, you can only save your own. A sort of blood, but always good. It's like I've drunk myself sober. I get better as I get older. I'm on James and don't be known. This is the second half of Spectre versus Rector. The Rector lived near Hampshire. You probably know this if you've got the record. So we're breaking it in easy for you. To go. Hey, go, right, move, long, and freeway, up, top, Try, son, fine, freeway, out, go, Hero and Inspector walk from the scene. Here's a hero vanished forever. The Spectre. The Spectre. The Spectre. Possesses the hero, but the possession is ineffectual. But the possession is ineffectual. The possession is ineffectual. The Rector is half insane. The hero goes back into the mountains. The hero goes back into the mountains. Omnipresent. The Spectre is omnipresent. Now stop the great move long. Then freeway up, come on. Such hatred, son. And freeway up, come on. Tell stories nowadays and it's all down on paper, and you can't do it with loud amplifiers. The hero walks from the scene. Is a Spectre banished forever, and the Rector is half insane. The hero goes back into the mountains. Great bill, long, then freeway, up, come on. Such hatred, son. Such hatred, son. Such hatred, son. And your decadent sins, you'll leave a discipline. And your decadent sins, you'll leave discipline. Hail the new puritan, righteousness from